How to play All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey. Step 1, learn the intro. You're going to start with a G chord. Then you're going to play an E minor. Now play a C. And finally end with a D chord. Then for the strumming, you're going to play each chord 12 times by going down, up as fast as you can. Step 2, learn the verses. You're going to start with a G. Then you're going to play a C. Then finally end with a C minor. For the strumming pattern, you're going to play down, down, up, up, down, up. Put everything together and it should sound like this.